Delegation is one of those words everyone talks about, but very few people truly master. Many practice owners say, "I've tried it 100 times, it never works with my team." But the truth is simple. Delegation does work if it's done the right way. When you delegate correctly, your practice doesn't just run smoother, it starts running almost on autopilot. My name is Dr. Baxmann, and in this video, I want to share practical, real-world insights on delegation that can completely change how your orthodontic practice operates. Delegation is not about dumping tasks on your team and hoping for the best. It's a structured skill, and like any skill, it requires discipline and repetition. The first step is clarity. Before you delegate anything, you must fully understand the task yourself. Vague instructions create vague results. Saying, "Make sure patients pay on time," leaves too much room for confusion. Clear, specific instructions allow your team to execute with confidence and precision. The second step is delegating to the right person. Not every task fits every employee. Talent management matters. If someone lacks training in a specific area, that's not a failure on their part. It's your responsibility as a leader to either train them or assign the task elsewhere. Next comes one of the most overlooked elements: deadlines. Without a clear deadline and priority, employees cannot judge what truly matters. A task without a time frame will always compete with other daily responsibilities. Clear deadlines bring structure, reduce stress, and prevent frustration on both sides. Once a task is delegated, don't disappear. Check in early. Make sure the task was understood and is moving in the right direction. Small corrections early prevent big problems later. Delegation is a process, not a one-time command. As things progress, the next level is critical. Delegate not only tasks, but also responsibility and decision-making within clear limits. When employees are allowed to make defined decisions on their own, work speeds up, confidence grows, and you free yourself from constant interruptions. This is where real efficiency begins. Feedback then becomes essential. Praise what works. Acknowledge progress. Be specific about what was done well. When something doesn't go as planned, correct the behavior, not the person. This builds trust, motivation, and long-term improvement instead of fear or insecurity. The highest level of delegation is learning to let go of the details and focus on results. When someone can complete a task independently and deliver outcomes consistently, you've succeeded. That employee no longer needs micromanagement, only guidance and occasional feedback. When you apply these principles consistently, something powerful happens. Your team becomes more confident, more independent, and more motivated. Your practice becomes more efficient, and you, as the orthodontist, regain time and energy to focus on what truly matters: your expertise, your vision, and your life outside the practice. If this helped you rethink delegation in your practice, make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share this with colleagues who need it. I'll see you in the next video.